Hello friends, today I would like to share with you this doily that I just finished designing. It is quick to make because it is made out of category 4 yarn. This is a I Love This Cotton yarn, and I'm using a 3.5 millimeter steel crochet hook, and it is much smaller than the one that's suggested, but the reason I'm using a smaller hook is I want the stitches to be tight. So I would show you how to make round one, how to make this center flower on this video, and then I will do the rest of the doily round by round. So to begin round one, we make a slip stitch and chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we are going to make a cluster or triple crochet 3 together, 8 of them around the ring. So we finish the ring by making a slip stitch on the 7th chain from hook. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and count this as 1 triple crochet. Then to make the initial cluster, we yarn over twice and insert hook into the ring and draw up a loop and yarn over and draw up this yarn over through 2 loops on hook and do it twice. So yarn over and draw up this yarn over through 2 loops on hook. Then you go back to yarn over twice again and repeat. Draw up a loop and then yarn over and draw up through 2 loops on hook, yarn over and draw up through 2 loops on hook, and this time yarn over and draw up through remaining loops on hook. So the beginning petal or triple crochet together, 3 together is made. Then to make the subsequent triple crochet cluster, we make a chain 3 between the petals. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Then repeat this from this bracket to this bracket 3 times. So yarn over twice, insert hook, and then yarn over and draw up through 2 loops on hook, yarn over, draw up through 2 loops on hook, that's twice. Then go back to the bracketed, yarn over twice, and insert hook and draw up a loop. Then yarn over and draw up through 2 loops on hook, yarn over and draw up through 2 loops on hook. Then one more time, one last time, yarn over twice, then insert hook and draw up a loop. Then yarn over and draw up through 2 loops on hook, yarn over and draw up through 2 loops on hook, and on the third time, yarn over, on the third yarn over, then you draw the yarn over through all remaining loops on hook. So the second petal or triple crochet together is made. So we will repeat what we did here 6 more times all around. So I'll do one more, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and compress the stitches so that 8 petals would fit around the ring. So we are now doing the 8th petal. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and yarn over twice and insert into the ring. Draw up through 2 loops on hook. That's 1, 2, 3, and the third time then we draw up through all remaining loops on hook. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and the slippy stitch on the top of the petal. And that's the way it looks. And so we just made the center of the flower. So I'll see you on the next round. Thank you for watching.